This How to 1 Minute will show you how to install SSL certificates using Namecheap SSL plugin. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to complete this whole process. First of all, log into your cPanel and here you will get Namecheap SSL plugin. You can also use the search box to find out the Namecheap SSL plugin. Click on it. Here you'll find all of your active SSL certificates. So I want to install this one for my website. So I'm clicking on install. Click on this drop down and select here the domain where you want to add the SSL certificate. And enter here your email address and click on install certificate. And that's it. It will take up to 30 minutes for the SSL installation to complete, and update the redirect settings and you are all set. Make sure to enable HTTPS by default. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.